What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm December DeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. If y'all are rocking with me, make sure you drop in the comment section. Let me know that you appreciate these updates. Now, I got to let y'all know, Coinbase has just let us know that their earnings were so bad that if they go bankrupt, any funds that basically their users are holding could be wiped away with the company. Now, this is not financial advice. This is not, saying do anything crazy, make any rash decisions. But let me read this article for y'all real quick. Now, stay tuned through this entire article. You want to hear what's really going on. So, hidden away in Coinbase's global disappointing first quarter earnings report, in which the U.S. largest cryptocurrency exchange reported a quarterly loss of $430 million and a 19% drop in monthly users, is an update on the risk of using Coinbase services that may come as a surprise to its millions of users. In the event the crypto exchange goes bankrupt, Coinbase says its users might lose all the cryptocurrency stored in their accounts too. Coinbase said in its earnings report Tuesday that it holds $256 billion in both fiat currencies and both cryptocurrencies on behalf of its customers. Yet the exchange noted that in the event it ever declared bankruptcy, the crypto assets we hold in custody on behalf of our customers could be subject to bankruptcy proceedings. Yeah, right. Coinbase users will become general unsecured creditors, meaning they have no right to claim any specific property from the exchange in proceedings. Their funds will become inaccessible. That shouldn't happen. An individual's ownership of cryptocurrency is supposed to be immutable and absolute. That's one of the key selling points touted by blockchain evangelists everywhere. But when a user creates a Coinbase account, they often end up storing their cryptocurrency in a wallet controlled by Coinbase, which means the individual is giving away at least part of their control over their own funds. Access to a crypto wallet is governed by a private key, which is a long string of characters that effectively acts as a password. Without the key, the cryptocurrency in the wallet can't be accessed. On Coinbase, the exchange holds the private key and lets users access funds within the wallet using a more conventional password. The setup makes it easier for users to enter their accounts by remembering an easier password. Yet it means that when push comes to shove, Coinbase ultimately governs whether a user gets access to those assets. In comments shared on Twitter, Coinbase CEO and founder Brian Armstrong said the exchange had no risk of bankruptcy and that the disclosure was made due to new rules set by U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission regarding public companies that hold crypto assets on behalf of others. This disclosure makes sense in that these legal protections have not been tested in court for crypto assets specifically, and is possible, however unlikely, that a court would decide to consider customer assets as part of the company in a bankruptcy proceedings, even if it harmed customers. Armstrong tweeted while reassuring users that your funds are safe at Coinbase. Coinbase does offer a self-custody wallet titled Coinbase Wallet, in which users know their private key, and a Coinbase wallet or any crypto wallet is not required to trade crypto on Coinbase. But by admitting the crypto assets aren't secure in the event of a bankruptcy, Coinbase is also highlighting a major difference between storing your funds with the blockchain exchanges versus keeping cash with traditional banks. Bank accounts in the US are protected by deposit insurance offered by the FDIC. In the event a bank fails, the FDIC steps in to protect deposits up to $250,000, preventing depositors from going broke along with the bank. Crypto exchanges don't offer that same protection, which is the primary reason why crypto enthusiasts advise investors to hold their cryptocurrency in a personal wallet rather than an exchange. Coinbase shares fell 15.6% in the after-hours trading after the exchange released its earnings, dragging the crypto exchange stock price down to 80% below its NASDAQ debut in April 2021. Besides reporting a declining user base and lower than expected revenue, trading volume on the Coinbase exchange declined $547 billion to $309 billion in the first quarter. Over the same period last year, Coinbase warned that trading volume was likely to decline further in the current quarter. So Coinbase is tipping us off, letting us know that prices are likely to continue to fall further. Let's take a look at the market right now. Absolute bloodbath. Now, it is an opportunity for those that are wise enough to buy the dips on their favorite assets. Now, if you have the money, you can, do that. I understand a lot of people don't have those funds. So, a lot of people are asking, what I recommend. Now, this is not financial advice, but what I would recommend is, re-looking at your strategy, determining which assets you have the most faith in, buying those ones. You could also use your technical analysis skills to determine where the next key support levels are if we break through this level. If that happens, you could sell some of your assets to, basically implement a stop loss in a sense, so that way you don't lose too much of the value that you currently have left, and then buy back in once it goes even lower, because I do believe the market is going to continue to fall a little bit. We don't see anything really bullish happening yet. We didn't see smart money step in and absolutely, just push the price back above that $30,000 level. Seeing it holding under 30 is kind of bearish for me. It's looking like we really want to pull back and test those 25, 24 ranges. So you might want to, secure some of those, assets that you have. You can possibly put some, this is just different strategies. You could put some into not just you got to make sure you put it in the right stable coin. I recommend, whatever you do your own due diligence on, but Tether is the strongest one right now. You don't want to put it in UST. But actually, to be honest though, UST is down significantly. So it's down to 80. So you could step in right here, and this is going back to, where they're going to try to push it back to $1. So you could do that also, to basically get even a little bit more value on that, stable coin. That's one way to do it. Or you could just go straight into something like Tether or USDC, something, more stable. But I'm looking to buy some more Shiba Inu. Now, I haven't bought any more yet today. Now, all I'm doing is waiting until later on tonight to try to see, because I really think it's going to pull back a little bit more. Of course, I'm going to throw something at it before the day is over with. But I'm, just letting the market, settle all the way. I want the price to come to me. I don't want to chase at all. I want it to, let it go as low as it needs to, and then that's where I'll be able to step in, just like smart money will. So I'm still bullish on SHIB. This is basically another opportunity to get rich. Think about the times before SHIB had that breakout. Once we see that breakout again from this point, think about how, what percentage of gains that is. Let's take a look at the chart real quick. From our all-time highs, we are down at this moment. We are down 600% from our all-time highs. So that's about a 6x right there. So, think about it. If you put in $100 right now, we get back to all-time highs. That turns to $600. You put in 1,000 right now, it goes back to all-time highs. That's 6,000. Put in 10,000 right now, it goes to all-time highs, 60,000. Put in 100K right now, it goes back to all-time highs, 600,000. Now, remember, it could still go lower, so that's not what I'm telling you to do, but I just want you to think about what's possible. Now, I'm definitely going to buy some more Shiba Inu. This is a deal we just, can't miss, can't pass up. 22% off for the day. I might even just buy some right after this video. ApeCoin absolutely got thrashed, dropped down to 23.97% for the day, down to 6.8. So I hope y'all were able to secure some profit. Jump in the comment section and let me know, did you or did you not secure some profit on ApeCoin? Now there's a few in our community that haven't, because you can believe in the project and not need to, because you only invested what you're willing to lose. So sometimes that happens with me. I don't always take profit from everything. If I think something is bullish, I'll leave it, because I'm not really worried about it, because I only put in what I'm willing to lose. So if it does drop even further, all I'll do is buy more. So let's see. Everything is down right now, y'all. You cannot beat this sell. I mean, it could get, don't get me wrong, it could go lower, but we haven't had a better buying opportunity. Bitcoin hasn't been this low since, let's take a look. Bitcoin hit that 27.9 range. It hasn't hit that since December 20. It got close. It got close a few times, but it hasn't actually hit that range since December. Let's see. Let me get in closer. Let me get in a little bit closer. Okay, so that was January 21. So January 21. So basically prices reset to where they were 1 year ago, y'all. Next level is looking around at 24-ish range, high 24s, maybe 25. But yeah, it's not looking too good right now, y'all. As far as if you are, just wishing that the market is going to continue to go up. If you're bullish on crypto overall for the next few years, then this is a excellent opportunity. Then this is those times you get to take advantage of. When remember when the pandemic first hit and prices went all the way down, we had Bitcoin, March 20. We got a $4,000 Bitcoin around in March. So, think about how many of y'all didn't jump on that opportunity. Now there's the opportunity to, get it when it's cheap. Now it could go back a little bit more. So I'm not saying just throw the house at it here, but, pay attention. Pay attention. If you bought up here, then you could bring your average cost down by buying here. So that's all I wanted to share with y'all. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.